On a form, there's a lot of ways you can customize it. So for example, if I want to customize specific fields, you'd click into those fields and change the names here under custom label, or maybe changing the help text. You can change what fields you want to be required and conditional logic, things like that. In terms of the form itself, if you click on the settings tab or hit 2 on your keyboard, it will go to the settings tab, and here you can change the success message. You can change if you want to force light or dark mode, or have it be the system that the person is viewing the form on. You can also set up a redirect URL and again change the success message here. If you want to change the slug, you can do that, or it will auto derive a new slug for you. And then you can also come into the design tab and you can select light and dark here or over here to see what the light and dark look like. You can put a logo here. So for example, if I paste in the Dialed Forms logo here, you'll see that it gets added to the form, and I can go ahead and publish these changes. And then you can change these different components that show up. So let's say I wanted this button to be, let's say DE, DE, DE. So now it's gray. And then if I go to dark mode, you'll see that the button is not gray, but it is white. And so if I wanted this to also be DE, DE, DE and be gray, I could set that there, or I could leave it by default. So that way the light is this gray and then the dark mode keeps the white. I could publish changes, and then let me also set up the settings here to be system. If this is set as system and I go and view the form here, by default it will be light mode. You can see that this button is gray. And then if I switch my computer to dark mode, this into the dark mode form, and you'll see that that button remains to be white, not gray. You also have the logo that I created here. So each change that you make in the design tab, whether it is for light mode or dark mode, will be retained on the respective version.